Authentic kimbap na malalaki and it comes in 6 different variants. Itry natin yung beef bulgogi kimbap at yung spicy pork kimbap nila. Apart from that, may iba pang mga nagsasarapang authentic Korean dishes. Tapos, affordable pa. This is a Korean-owned restaurant na matagal na rin namang nag-ooperate pero dati puro delivery lang sila. Available sa Grab, Foodpanda at yung iba pang mga Korean delivery apps. Pero ngayon, open na rin sila for dine-in. This place is called One Kimbap, located sa Friendship Highway. Ito yung address nila at mahanap nyo rin sa Google Maps. They're open daily from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. at meron ding parking area. Sobrang benta nila sa delivery kasi nakikita namin na walang puknat yung pagpasok ng mga riders na nagpipick up ng order. Apart from the delivery apps, meron din silang sariling mga riders so pwede rin kayo mag-message sa page nila para mag-order. Nag-crave daw si Papa ng odeng so nag-order kami nito. And then syempre automatic dyan na meron tayong complimentary side dishes and soup. Yung complimentary soup pa lang ang sarap na pero mas lalo itong spicy beef soup. Marami siyang gulay, merong kimchi at napaka-tender ng beef. Ang sarap ng level of spice niya. Yung medyo pagpapawisan ka na pero hindi naman nasasunog yung dila. Up next, nag-order din tayo ng rosé tteokbokki. Nirequest ko yung spicy and this one comes with sausages. And syempre, pag Korean restaurant, madalas kasama sa order yung mga egg roll. This has vegetables on the inside, so okay din yung orderin lalo pag may kasama kayong bata. Yung susunod naman is called chicken kangjung. These are crispy fried boneless chicken pieces coated in that sweet, sticky, spicy sauce. Tapos may kasamang rice cakes and cashew. Ito naman yung kanilang bibimbap at yung signature sauce. Isa-serve nila yan sa'yo na yung sauce nakalagay sa container so ikaw pa yung bahalang maglagay kung gaano karami yung gusto mo. Napaka-loaded sa vegetables, meron pang meat and egg. It's properly seasoned tapos good for sharing na rin. Ito naman yung flat mandu, it's very crispy at gulay yung nasa loob nito. We also have kimari, ito yung parang japchae noodles na nakaroll sa seaweed, coated in a light batter and then crispy fry. And lastly, nag-order tayo ng 3 klase ng kimbap. Tingnan nyo ang lalaki. This one is beef bulgogi kimbap so you get that traditional bulgogi taste na may saktong balance ng sweet and savory. Yung kay mama naman ay spicy pork kimbap. Sakto lang yung pagkaka-spicy, kaya tong kainin ng kids. And lastly, meron din tayo nung vegetable kimbap. Hindi tinipid sa good quality ingredients kaya you can really tell the difference. So the next time you're craving Korean, this is another place that I think you should try.